Welcome back to Crafty Creations. Today I'm going to be doing a really easy Easter DIY for you. If you are familiar with the Dollar Tree at all, you've probably seen these bunnies at the Dollar Tree. And if you've watched any other YouTube videos, you've probably seen people decorate them and change them and do all kinds of stuff. But I want something that you can easily duplicate, that you could make an easy DIY with. So I have two of these bunnies. And then I have one of these signs that says, "All bunnies welcome." And then I have a white pipe cleaner that I've cut in half. And then I have some scissors. And then I have some pink glitter tool and some blue glitter tool. All of this stuff I've got at the Dollar Tree. And I've got some hot glue over here. So today I'm going to show you an easy way to make these a really cute decor piece, or you could put them on your front door. You can basically put them anywhere. You can put them all throughout your house, anywhere that you would like to decorate them. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the little purple bow that came on the bunny. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on this one. Okay, and then I'm going to take off the tag. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take off this little string to connect them as well. And I'm going to have a boy bunny and a girl bunny. Okay, so I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay, since I already have the blue unwrapped, I'm just going to cut off about a foot of this blue. It's called glitter tool. You want to bunch it, and then you can see that if you look at the back that there's a little spot here where you can stick it through. Okay, just gently pull, and then as you can see here, there's another spot here. So you're just going to gently pull there. Now I'm going to turn you around to the front so you can see I'm making like a little ear. So you just want to blouse it till you get it exactly how you like it, just like that. And then on this side you just want to tie it together. You don't want to pull too tight because you don't want it to pull in the front. So just be careful that you look at the front and make sure it doesn't pull. Okay, and then any excess after you've tied it in a knot, excuse me, you'll just cut off. So there you have one ear. So you're going to do the same thing for the other ear. You're going to cut off about a foot. Okay. You're going to feel for the top of this ear. You're going to pull through. Okay, and then you're going to feel for the bottom. You're going to pull through. And then I'll turn you around so you can see what I'm doing. Again. So, then you got the other blue ear. Okay. Alright, then you want to do the same thing. You want to tie that in the back. In a knot. Okay, and make sure it's not pulled too tight. Okay, and then you want to cut off any excess. Okay, so now you got ears. Okay, now you want a bow. And you want to get about 2 feet of ribbon. And then I'm going to turn you down so you can kind of see what I'm doing. You want to tie it around his neck, and then you just want to tie a simple bow. Okay, I'm going to make this the same length. Okay. Okay, so you have your boy bunny. Okay, we're going to put that to the side. And then you're going to open up your paint tool. And you're going to do the same thing. And the end of it comes off and is sticky to get it to stay. So you just cut that part off. Okay, so I'm going to get some of this glitter. Put it in the trash. Okay, so now you got your girl bunny. Okay, straighten y'all out a little. You're going to do the same thing you did with the boy bunny. So you're going to get a little bit of tulle. You're going to do the exact same thing you did with the boy bunny. Okay. Okay. Same thing for the other ear. Okay, so then you got his ears, her ears, and then you want to tie this part around her neck. Turn her down again so you can see what I'm doing. It's real simple, just tying it around her neck. And then like you're tying a shoelace, just tie a simple bow. And then blouse it out. Okay, and then cut these off equal. Just like that. So now, straighten you out so you can see. Okay. So now you have your girl bunny and your boy bunny. Okay. So now, you're going to set your bunnies to the side. Clear Clear off my glitter again. Okay, so now you're going to get your sign, and then you're going to take off the tag, and you're going to leave the sign intact. So what you want to do is just turn it over. And then you want, turn it down again so you can see. Okay, you want to hot glue a pipe cleaner to both sides of the bunny, just like that. Okay. So you're gonna put a little bit of hot glue here. Put your pipe cleaner down in it. And put some more hot glue on the top. Make sure your pipe cleaner stays nice and well. Okay. Okay. And you want to do the same thing over here. Okay. Okay, and you want to let that sit and have time to dry. Okay, then you want to take a second pipe cleaner and cut it in half. And you want to do the same thing here. You want to put on a generous amount of glue right here at the bottom. Put the pipe cleaner down in it. More glue on top so it holds nice and firm. And do the same thing on this side. Okay, now that your hot glue is dried, you're just going to slide your bunny closer to the thing, and you're just going to tie the bunny to your sign to fasten it safely. Okay, you're going to do the same thing with the boy bunny. Okay, and then once you got them all fastened, you're going to raise them, and then this is what your finished sign, you back up some so you can see, this is what your finished sign looks like. All bunnies welcome. And I'm going to hang this in my living room.